Hi guys, just a quick one today. Today I'm going to tell you the value of being humble as a restaurant owner. Now, one of the issues that I come across a lot of the time is some owners can come across as being downright narcissistic, and I'm not saying you are, but it is very important to always be humble when it comes to things. Don't say, we do the best food, we are the best, all of this sort of stuff. It's not great because then it invites comparison, and that's something you want to avoid. What you want to be is you want to be humble, friendly, polite. So even if you've got competition, you want to focus entirely on being nice to your competition if ever you have to interact with them. If someone says to you, what do you think about this other company? Just say, we think that they provide an excellent service. Because the thing is, it is really important that you have a really good rapport with customers, and you have a really good relationship with businesses around you. You don't want conflict, you don't want any form of attack coming into your company, and you don't want to alienate people. And sometimes the we are the best mentality does alienate people, because sometimes it makes them question one thing, and it makes them think, well, are you the best? What makes you the best? It's like, well, we do the best this, we do the best that, we do the best this. So maybe they'll go out and try somewhere else. Maybe they'll find somewhere else that provides a better service or something like that. What you need to do is you need to do things in a way which is not going to negatively impact on your business. And by being humble, being friendly and being polite and just being really respectful of everyone around you, this will help your restaurant shine.